Have you been getting slapped with a hardware notification stating Meta Quest Link isn't working correctly on Windows recently? Well, find solace in the fact that you are not the only one being troubled. The PC app appears to be broken for a lot of people right now. The error pops up and just won't go away. Rift S, Quest 2, Quest 3, 3S, basically the whole lineup has been impacted. Standard troubleshooting measures like repairing the software, uninstalling and reinstalling, updating Visual C++ redistributables, switching to the public test channel, restarting the PC, factory resetting headsets, rolling back GPU drivers, and even trying different USB ports and cables. Nothing seems to be bringing in relief. But there is a good news, as at least one of the workarounds, a weird one though, appears to be helping people. All you have to do is turn off your PC's internet connection before you launch Meta Quest Link. The software will start up just fine, your headset will connect, and then you can turn the internet back on. One of the affected users even went a step further, sharing the instructions for blocking oculus-exe specifically through Windows Firewall. You can create an outbound rule for the executable, and that stops the failure from happening. No need to manually disconnect every time. The fact that blocking Dash from calling home fixes the issue has people wondering if Meta accidentally revoked a certificate or pushed a bad server-side change. It's worth stressing that the workaround, which involves disconnecting internet, doesn't help everyone. Others are running into bonus issues like no audio in the headset or Guardian errors after trying the fixes. If you are completely stuck, Virtual Desktop and Steam Link still works since they don't touch Meta's PC software. ALVR is another free option people are suggesting. While Meta hasn't given a word on the matter yet, we are keeping an active track on the matter to keep you all posted with all relevant and latest developments. That's pretty much all for now.